Hello, and welcome to this how-to video brought to you by the Office Shop Incorporated. In this video, we will show you the steps to install and add a Canon print driver to your Windows PC. Let's get started. Open a web browser of your choice and navigate to usa.canon.com. On Canon's main page, click on Drivers and Downloads. In the search box under Canon Support, type in your Canon model number. In the example here, I'm using a 1730. Click on the full model name below. Scroll down until you see a list of drivers and downloads. Canon will recommend a driver based on your version of Windows. Generic is fine, but for this application, I'm going to scroll down and choose the full version of UFR2 driver. Click Select, click Download. You should see the driver package downloading on the bottom left of your screen. Once this is finished, click on the download. If you do not see this on the bottom left of your screen, click the three dots on the upper right. Click Downloads. From here, you can click on the driver download. Next, we will need to select where we would like to unzip or extract the file that we just downloaded. Click on the three dots, choose Desktop, click OK, click Extract. Navigate to the desktop. Double-click the file we just extracted. Click Setup. Your PC may ask you permission to open this file. Click Yes. This is the start of the installation wizard. Click Yes to agree to the license agreement. Choose Standard. If you have your Canon hooked up with USB, select USB connection. Click Next. Select Add New Printers. Check the box next to Canon Driver Information Assist Service. Click Next. The installer will now search for any Canon devices on your network. Once it populates a list of Canon devices, select your model number from that list. Click Next. Click Start. Depending on your PC, this may take a few minutes. Click Exit. You can delete the file that we downloaded, and you have just installed your Canon device. Now let's head over to verify that it has been installed correctly. Navigate to Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound, click on Devices and Printers. Here you should see your device. You are now ready to print. One quick note, by default, Canon installs the driver to save paper, so it's set to two-sided by default. If you wish to change this, it's real simple. Let's just right-click on the Canon that you just installed, click Printer Properties, click Preferences. Under the option one-sided, two-sided booklet printing, change this to one-sided printing. Click Apply, and click OK. Now you're set to be printing single-sided as default. If you are unable to install your Canon device, or you're finding you're still having issues, feel free to reach out to us on our website at officeshopinc.com or give our service center a call at 1-855-333-0100 and we can assist you more. Have a great day.